Let's crash with the coke.
This video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness.
To ride in that fucking Pontiac, and you know when I drive all my seats linked to the back. Stop renting all these cars, cause all these niggas cap. These niggas cap. I ball like a Laker. When I was a kid, we used to play hot potato. I'm like that queen, and your boyfriend he is Mato. My chain is so heavy, you would think it was an anchor. Chain swing, please don't come around with all that playing. Sliding her.
Good YouTube, it's your boy RonDaGreat, man, back with another banger video. Today guys, we'll be pushing money in people.
Yeah, boy.
Market social experiment. Yeah, hopefully them not slap me or nothing. I'm gonna get a lot of people, you see. I'm gonna do a giveaway at 2K, a live stream. I'm gonna buy $1,000 credit for digital and $1,000 credit for flow. You see it, so when you get me to 2K, I'm gonna get that. I'm coming with the best 2021 content. 2021, yeah, content. So, not like talk too much. Let's get in video.
Understand why you?
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to.
Yo. Alright, so basically I'm gonna give him the money if him actually know dead, yeah. But alright. Yo, start. Yo ho 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 ho. Ba 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 ba. Ba ba ba. Let's crash with the coke.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get me.
Really, nigga?
That's the end of the video, guys. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and notification bell, and for the news just subscribe. And yo, remember, so we have the giveaway things. I get me to 2K, you see it. And merch I go come in soon. And then was when, but like look down in a 2021, and me never get that much people, so I hope you enjoy the video, and peace.
Here we go again.
If I catch him lacking, your homie is doomed. To ride in that fucking Pontiac, and you know when I drive all my seats linked to the back. Stop renting all these cars, cause all these niggas cap. These niggas cap. I ball like a Laker. When I was a kid, we used to play hot potato. I'm like that queen, and your boyfriend he is Mato. My chain is so heavy, you would think it was an anchor. Chain swing, please don't come around with all that playing. Sliding her.